This is what my skin looks like, and I'll tell you why. Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Z, and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday affordable nighttime skincare routine under 20k. First things first, as you can see, this is what my skin looks like, and I'll tell you why. Because my very first routine starts from the kitchen. Yes, you heard right. So I had eggs for dinner when I came back from work. And what did I do? The residue from the eggs, exactly, fresh eggs, the residue from those, I had them spread evenly around my face. This gives me that, eggs are already good for the system. So naturally, I like to use organic products. So this is one way for me to incorporate organic products into my skin. So as part of my skincare routine. So now I'm going to take a shower and get this cleared off. Go from this to this. Get into the shower and get this whole thing off, and then we'll come back to our affordable skincare routine under 20k. I'm fresh off the shower. As you can see that I do not wipe my face. Actually, I never usually wipe my face. I let it air dry usually, and then the first thing I do is to go in with my serum, like my retinol at night. I go with my retinol when my face is a bit dry. So to get my face dry, because we're trying to conserve space and not bore you with content, let's turn on the fan. That's enough. The very first thing I do is, like I said, is this serum. So this is the very first thing we put on our face. So we just go in. So the next one, step 2. Next step, your lips is also part of your face. So that's pretty much it for my skincare routine for the night. Like, voila, just 3 products. 4 actually, if I have to include my face, obviously. So just these 3 products and I'm good to go. My skincare routine under 20k. Like, this is the Vita A Bakucho Youth Serum, and it's sold for, it's a vitamin A, actually, vitamin A, which also translates to retinol. You get the math exactly. So it's sold for 6,000. As in, when I got it, it was sold for 6,850 naira. But like I keep saying, inflation and the naira are not friends. So I mean, I don't know how much is being sold now. I got this last year. I don't know how much is being sold now, but I think it's about the same price. But I think it's about the same price if you ask me. So I think it's about the same price. So you can do well. I got mine off Beauty by Daz. But Buy Better or Tika 4, they also stock products like this. So you can do well to check them out and buy authentic products. The next is this one. This is the Tea Fresh Emulsion I've been using for a while. It's a moisturizer and I love it for me. Like, I love this for me. Like, lightweight, it doesn't clog my pores, it's just there. I love that it gives me this dewy finish that I love, but it doesn't leave me oily at the same time. So this is your go-to guy. I'm actually going to repurchase again. This, my baby boy, has been with me since I was a child. Vaseline, if your parents did not use Vaseline for you, are you sure they love you? Because Vaseline, Imperial Leather, those were the bourgeoisie things then, and it still is. I mean, this is one of the good products in the market that still has the same quality as ever, right? So I use the Blue Seal Vaseline petroleum gel for my lips. I love to have my lips moisturized with this at night before going to bed, or even in the morning before going to work, before putting my lip gloss or whatever it is. This is my guy. So these are the products I use for my nighttime skin routine. Like I said, less is more for me when it comes to makeup. When it comes to when it comes to skincare routine, for me, less is more. So I try to as much as possible, I was trying to take away the other things that I'm able to talk directly into the camera. So as much as possible, I try to limit or try to do just the barest minimum with my skin, because at the end of the day, I find that doing too much is not even healthy for your skin. So, and how would you even know what product is working if you're using 10-20 products per time? How would you know which one is effective? How would you know which one is even causing you more good than harm? So I try to limit it. So these are my go-to skincare routine in the PM, in the evening. Once I'm back from work, these are my go-to, and I'm home and dry. This is how much I spent in total for my night care routine exactly. So this is under 20k, like I said. Sorry, I lost the clip for the facial wash when I went to the bathroom, but the facial wash I use is the simple moisturizing facial wash, which was bought for 3,500, and I've been using it for over a year. I love it, and I love that it doesn't strip my skin of its natural whatever, and it still leaves me glowing at the end of the day. So this is how much I spent in total. If I come your way next time, I'll be sure to bring you more content which you should watch. You should watch them. So do well to subscribe, share, like, and leave me a comment. Tell me what your own skincare routine is at night, and I'll do well to see you in my next video. Bye.